What's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. and in today's video I wanted to show you um, basically what happened to me was I would either fall asleep with my phone near me, and it would actually delete. As you can see, like, I'll just hold this and it would actually just delete the app that was on the screen. Now, it doesn't uninstall it, it just gets rid of it off of the screen. So I'm going, I have to keep going to the app info and then, manually open it to get to it, which was kind of a pain, especially when I had to open up Google Maps and so forth. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to show you something extremely simple on how to get everything, every app that you have on your screen, and you can do it in two different ways, and I'll show you how. So what we're going to do first is we're going to hold the screen, and then we're going to go down to home screen settings. Now, there are so you have the sort apps by. Okay, sort apps by, and you can you can do it alphabetically. So I believe it's from left to right, that it'll go, A to Z, or you can do by download date, and then that would also go from left to right as well. I personally like the alphabetically option. It's just for me personally, it just gives me a better idea of where everything is, instead of trying to look for everything. Oh, when did I download this and so forth. And if you did previously have things in a folder and you did delete the folder by accident, the folder will come back. So let's go to, I actually deleted my Google folder. So my Google folder had Chrome, it had Google Keep, it had Gmail, and it had YouTube, it had anything that was Google related. So, and I, just by either by sleeping or it dropping the phone, whatever the case may be. So now let's hit name alphabetically and do sort. Okay, let's go back. Alright, there we go. So we are now in, everything is now alphabetical, as you can see. And like I showed you before, like I was telling you before, right up here, this is it brought back my Google folder, which is really awesome. And then from there, it kept my home screen the way it is, but then, and all the all the folders that you had put certain apps in, they will actually stay in those folders. But if they are individual, say like Amazon Alexa, Amazon Shopping, all that kind of stuff, they will all be individual. They're not going to be in a folder unless you put them into a folder. So we swipe through. Okay, we're all good here. Everything is in alphabetical order. Very easy to find everything now, instead of trying to look around and see where everything is. But yeah, it's really that simple. So I really hope that this video does help you, because it was a real pain in the butt going to the app info and opening everything, trying to open everything from there, and trying to say, HEY, Google, that kind of stuff. And so, and you're trying to do different things. So, but yeah, that's it. It's really that simple. It's not difficult at all, and it looks way, and now it's a lot more organized too. So you don't have to, you don't have, so you don't have to download a program and then see where it is. Just go to where, just go alphabetize it. So let's just say I'm looking for crypto.com. It might be in a folder, but yeah, right there. Boom. There we go. Easy peasy. So, but good luck with that. Good luck with this. I really, 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 really hope it helps you out. And then make sure you check out the new videos that are coming out. They're going to be freaking awesome because not a lot of people know about what I am going to show you guys. So, and it's going to be awesome. Trust me. So, with that, enjoy the shorts that I've put up, and then also look forward to the new videos that I will be putting up as well, in which you'll be spending a lot more time on your phone. So, thank you very much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.